Welcome to my YouTube series on direct care. My name is Dr. Kara Foster. I'm an optometrist in Apex, North Carolina. I'm excited that you're here and joining me to learn more about direct care. So first, let me tell you a little bit more about myself and how I got into following the direct care movement. I graduated optometry school in Boston in 2009. I live outside Raleigh, North Carolina with my family. I'm a wife and mom of 3 girls. I love traveling with my family. I'm up for adventure. I'm always up for trying new things, which is probably what prompted me to get into this pretty scary leap sometimes to direct care into my practice. For the first 6 years after graduating, I worked as an associate in a very nice private practice. It was pretty heavily insurance-based. Like any medical practice, operating under insurance, we are seeing about 4 to 5 patients an hour, working 5 to 6 days a week, probably like most of you are. But when my daughter was born in 2013, I decided I wanted to try and see if I could find a way to create a better work-life balance, which is how iCare4U was born. I wanted to create a practice where I was able to spend more time with my family and with my patients. I love patient care just like you do, and I love the relationship building that happens when you have a private practice. Your patients get to be your friends, and your family gets to come to the practice. I really truly wanted a private practice, a true family office. So after 2 years of opening iCare4U under the insurance model, because that was really all I knew, we accepted all vision and medical plans, but I started to feel like I wasn't truly independent. And I started looking for other options to see if I could create a model that would separate my small family practice from big insurance. And I feel like I've come up with a really great system that's allowed us to provide a better experience for our patients and simultaneously creating a better atmosphere for everyone involved. I call this care the direct eye care approach, and it allows for the practitioner so much more autonomy in patient care, patient treatments, product recommendations. So I created this YouTube channel, and I want to put out these videos so that I can give you some tips and tricks on how to be able to make this a possibility for yourself in your own practice. So I'm excited for you to follow some of these videos and to be able to share some of this information with you. So stay tuned for some upcoming episodes, and if you have some more information, or if you're looking for more information, check out my website at directcaredifference.com, and don't forget to follow your vision.